Cool. Yeah. Hi. So I am now with the founder of this amazing device. Looks amazing. So my first question: how old can somebody drive? Are able to, because I can see a young child here. Can he have the license and
一
drive?
般是多这个几岁？成人就是18岁吗？就是要什么 license 吗？
不用就成年人。
要 adults, 18
Adults.
years old, we'll say.
18 years old. Yeah. Okay. And what is the duration? Like, is it a special license?
不需要
No
license.
license.
Yeah, you don't need a license.
对，它because this flight 但我不认识，就是它是符合就是它符合美国一个规则叫 FAA Part 103。
Okay, so according to FAA Part 103, and anyone, you don't need a license to fly this kind of helicopter.
Okay, so a normal, can I say a normal helicopter driving license, like flying
就所
license?
有 license 都不要了，就是
That's really-
连那个
它的飞机
连那个
就是这个飞机符合那个规定的时候就不需要 license。
So when this
eVTOL 这个就是他们叫 eVTOL。
eVTOL, so this eVTOL like applies for all the rules under FA. 你得需要给我那个。
对对，哎，就这个 eVTOL， 然后符合 FAA Part 103。这是美国的一个法规。
FAA Part 103, and this eVTOL applies under this all the rules. So people don't need a license to fly.
Oh yeah, looks cool. And how about like from where can I get it? So if I am located in Europe or in USA, is it available to buy such
这个就是我们的公司就在 LA， 在 Los Angeles， 大家可以从那个 Richter.com。
So you can buy on Richter.com, and we have an office in LA.
You are located here in Silicon
in LA,
Valley.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, in LA, Los Angeles.
Okay, and can I know about how much can it cost?
现在多少钱？这个？
现在6.99万。
Is $69,000.
69. Okay, yeah, fair enough. Okay, cool. And how fast can I go and how high can I fly with?
多快多
70
高
公里每小时。
？70 miles per hour.
70公里每小时。
公里是什么来着？早上我要做这个，我之前要是准备一下，你知道，不是没准备。
Yeah, but this looks cool, man. Like the four wheels here and the design. I really like the design.
45 miles per hour.
45 miles per hour. Okay. Oh yeah.
高一般他们是什么单位呢？
就是你米也可以，反正 feet 就是他们都是 feet 那个尺。
So Illust is the name. No, it's Rector, the name of the company. So maybe I can imagine there are a lot of videos on the YouTube here.
不能高于490英尺。
Look at the motors here.
有速度，然后490英尺高度。但是它可以飞很高，但只是我们限制它的。
然后它上面都有显示。Like the height will be 493 feet.
400 meter away. Wow. Okay. And is there any locations that I'm allowed to drive in and others that's not, or it's still on the planning?
在那个哪里可以？现在如果在美国的话，在哪里可以飞呢？如果
它必须在郊外飞行。
It has to be in urban.
Urban
Yeah,
plane.
in urban.
Oh yeah.
Not in the city. Not yet.
Oh
然后它
yeah.
这个法规的要求就是整机不含人的重量要在255磅以下，就飞行器的重量，就eVTOL的重量要在255磅。
它这个就是200。So this eVTOL is very light, and it's actually it's only it's under 255 pounds.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
但是法规是不能高于这个重量。
So the rule is the highest you can go is 450. It can go higher, but under the rule is you have to be 450 feet.
Oh yeah, looks cool. And is there any plan to go outside USA for other markets? Or you are only targeting this area here?
美国、 欧洲。
目前是美国有这个法规。
So right now the rules of 就是他说
就是
就是
美国的法
在美国还有其他地方想卖吗？
我们暂时在美国。
Right now we focus in US.
Only in USA.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean that looks cool, yeah. So I will of course write the information and your websites in the description below.
Yeah.
So
So Richter.com. People can go to Richter.com to find more about it.
Victor.com, and then and I'm pretty sure that there are a lot of people who would be willing to get more and more information and buy this wonderful art. I would say this is the future of transportation. I have to say. I would like to take a short look about like
go
the
ahead.
cockpit. Oh yeah, okay. So it's simply like this is the it's kind of a prototype now, or
It's a really.
It
can fly.
it can really
Yeah,
fly, and
really
then
fly.
I only need to use this joystick to fly, or
Two.
oh yeah.
Yeah. This one is up and down. This is forward, backwards, to left, to right.
Okay, simple enough.
把它
On the
拿出来
ground,
把那个孩子
so
拿出来，
it's
感觉放在
literally
里面不好。
nothing.
我来把
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, so the kid is just playing with it, and
Yeah.
apparently he's not allowed to fly in here. Of
Who
course
knows?
not.
Maybe if it is like
Yeah.
autonomous driving, then he can be doing it. Okay, yeah, cool.
Do you want to sit inside? I can
I,
do.
yeah, I
you
think
know,
so. Yeah, I think it would be a good
Go ahead.
experience.
which moment?
So maybe I can try it.
Okay, this is Richter, quick wheel.
So
I can show you.
yeah, yes, please.
And second.
Okay, yeah, this is how you get in.
Looks cool. So maybe it's my turn. Let me try. I hope I come back live. Oh yeah, here's it like this.
All right. How do you like it?
Oh yeah, cool.
How do you feel?
Oh, this is very comfortable, I would say. Yeah,
Pretty cool,
first of
huh?
all. Like the chair is okay, and also like here you have a full control on the. Like you can feel going left or right. I think there is also
And then you can see the, everything
in the cockpit on the
If-
monitor. Yeah.
Yeah, if
with
you go
antenna.
too high, then you'll know.
It will give some information about the alert. And I can see here some buttons. So what kind of buttons?
The
Is it like?
buttons?
Yeah, maybe it's something for safety. I can imagine. Yeah.
这个按钮是什么？
Yeah, maybe I can imagine something for safety because I can find a button here and another
那
one
个
here.
button 是啥？
This is a safety button.
It's for safety. Yeah.
Yes, when press the button and turn forward, backward, and turn left and right.
Okay. Yeah. So I can only I can control it only by pressing the button and then I can go
Right.
left, right, forward, backward,
Right.
and then high,
Higher and
lower.
low.
Or lower, but this does not.
This
have.
is the handing direction.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Sounds pretty easy to
This-
fly,
yeah, I mean
huh?
it's fair enough. Like one of the things that I didn't really would avoid driving a flight is like a lot of buttons that I have no idea what to do. But when it is very simple enough, I think it has its way to go. So pretty cool. So let me see if I can go away in a safe way. Let's see. Yeah, well, fair enough.
Okay.
Nice experience. Amazing. Thank you so much for all of this
Thank you.
information. And
We can turn all the things on, the wings on, if you want to do a video too.
这个太小了。
Oh, right now we can't because it's too small. Like,
Okay,
space
yeah.
is too small.
But yeah, I think it's fair enough. Amazing. Thank you so much for all of this information and for the amazing experience. And I will write the link in the description below for the people who would like to watch videos of this device, what is flying in the reality. So, again, yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So, very cool experience with the drone. I would say it's between helicopter and drone, but this is the future of flying, of transportation. Nobody would like to buy a car anymore. So. Okay, let's see what is here. Yeah. So this is more or less for homes, I would say. Smart homes. Yeah, there's something to drink, I think. It's coffee machine or what is this here?
You guys know where you can throw this around? You guys know where
Sorry, is it chai or is it coffee? Is it coffee or chai?
It's more like Chinese herbs in tea. Yeah.
Oh yeah, chai. Chai is tea. Yeah, tea. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah.
So I would like to try one. If it's
Sure.
okay.
Yeah. Which flavor would you like?
Maybe you can choose one for me if you like.
Okay. Yeah. I would recommend the rose one because I think it tastes good. Yeah.
Okay. Let me try the rosin one. Oh yeah, cool. Amazing. Thank you so much. Here's how it looks like. But so this is the tea. I mean, it's cool. It's very strong, very special. I like it. Without sugar, but I think it's fair enough. It's like espresso. It's like chai espresso. Yeah. Cool. Thank you so much. Thanks. Oh yeah, amazing. Thank you so much. It was very delicious. Thanks. Is it a simple juice or what kind of juice it is?
No, it's passion fruit green tea. It's passion fruit green tea.
Special for what?
Passion fruit green tea.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Okay. So how much does it cost one, or can I try it?
You can just download the app and you get a free one.
Okay.
Yeah, we are fun time delivery. It's a food delivery app.
Food delivery,
Yeah, it's a
okay.
food delivery app. We cover all the Asian foods.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Also, you got $100 coupon for new register.
Oh yeah, that's cool. And is it like the delivery is only here in Silicon Valley, or it is?
Oh, all the Bay Area, and also we cover Los Angeles, Seattle, New York, a lot of big cities. Yeah, we cover basically all the America and Canada.
Oh yeah. Okay, so is it simply delivery service, or is it something special?
It's a food delivery service. So if you just order foods and we'll just deliver to your home, so that's it. Yeah, and you can also do pickup or Groupon stuff.
That's cool. Yeah, thank you so much. Actually, it looks very cool. The drink looks very cool that I thought of downloading the application, but I don't know. So, what is the 12th night? What happened in the 12th night?
Top Night is a stage play. It's a comedy play which was taking place last October at the Mountain View Center for the Performing Arts. And we also just published a book. It's called AI.
Okay, maybe you can hold it.
Oh yeah. Hi.
And
Yeah, the Silicon Valley 12th Night is a comedy play we just brought to the stage last year at Mountain View Center for the Performing Arts. So there will be more show coming up this year. If you guys can just follow up on the website siliconvalley12night.com.
okay, and what is the
we
book?
also have the same author who also just wrote this book. It's called The AI Population Era, and I think all the Silicon Valley people need to read this book.
Oh yeah,
It's
that's
really-
cool. The AI
The
population.
music
area.
you just listened to is from the play.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool.
So we write stories for Silicon Valley, for the engineers, for the local communities.
Yeah. So is the book also more comedy AI?
Well,
and
the
so-
writer has been writing the comedies for 20 years. So the book is about the people from the future landed in Silicon Valley, and there's some deep thought about AI. So everybody should read this.
Yeah. Okay.
Are you an influencer?
Yeah.
Okay,
So
good.
I think I would write maybe. Do you have a soft copy of it on the internet for the people to download, like kind of an ebook?
Yes. If you go online, if you go to shadowliu.com, that's the author's website where you can purchase and read the books. And this book is available on Kindle.
yeah.
$9.99 for ebook.
Nine.
$29.99 for the copy paper book.
Okay.
It's on Kindle.
Oh, about $10.
Kindle, yeah, Amazon.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's pretty cool. Actually, fair enough. I would say. So future people coming into Silicon Valley.
Yes.
Looks cool.
It is definitely worth to read it, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Cool. Thank
And
you
your
so
name
much.
is?
Sorry.
Your name is? Your name?
Mohammed Ali. I will give you my contact
okay, yeah.
afterwards.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I will
Yeah, thank
contact
you.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. So like the people come from the future visiting Silicon Valley, which should be the future of living. So it could be a cool book, I would say. What else do we have here? Hi, can you tell me?
R&D get free money. No, this one? Just kidding. What's wait, 1 second. What's the name of your channel?
Yeah, I will come back to you.
Oh,
give
okay,
it
okay.
But can you just introduce a little bit
One
what are you
sentence.
offering?
One sentence. We help companies secure government funding, aka help them to get cash back from IRS, which is the government from tax incentive.
Oh, getting money back. That sounds very interesting. So the money is from tax or what?
Yeah, so it's so for businesses that in the U.S. that if they have if you are in the innovative front, for most of people here that in the tech industry, you are eligible to get 8 to 10% of the money that you spent last year. So for example, if you spent $1 million last year, 8 to 10% of that would be about 100K, 80K to 100K. You can get that back from the government, which is IRS in that general. Sorry.
Oh yeah, okay. So the startups and company, they simply contacts you.
Yeah.
And
scan. We have QR code there. We have QR code somewhere else.
Yeah.
But scan. Find us on. We are big on LinkedIn. Find us New Mix. Find us on LinkedIn. Go check out our website. If you are based here, we are actually based in Bay Area, San Jose. So if you're around, come to our office. I'm happy to show you what we do.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Looks cool. Okay.
Yeah.
And when should the people, when should the companies or the startups come to you? Is there like a timeline that they should be coming before deadline or something?
So this is getting much more and more common nowadays. As long as you start operating in US, you need to stay compliant. So my suggestion for startup is that maybe at the beginning of the period, you're still looking for directions. You are going through multiple route pivot. That's perfectly fine. But once you have settled and once the timeline has come to find anyone, find a CPA, find someone, take care of your tax. It's not that expensive, but it can absolutely get you out of trouble. Because like, what happens if you not stay compliant? What happens if they take off your Stripe payment capability? Customer cannot pay you. Or what happens if they block your bank account? Then you cannot get money in or out. So that will be a disaster. But long story short, stay compliant quick, get advice quick, and if anything that can be helpful, let us know.
Oh yeah, looks good. And would you like to tell about how much would it cost a company or a startup? For your service,
we have a special promotion today, and it's probably going to extend to the next week. So if you come to us, we're going to give you the first month for free, and that's a value of about $2,000 of package. Meaning that if you need 1099 filing, tax filing, bookkeeping, we're going to give that for free, only for this event. So there's I'm not sure if I should say this, but there's a promotion code. It's called SLSV, which is the event today. You enter it in the website, and then we'll get you there.
SLSV. So this is really cool. Okay,
Yes.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for all of this information.
And what's the name of the channel again?
Yeah, I will come to you.
Okay.
I told
Okay.
you. But I can see here also some 30 minutes. So it's like only in 30 minutes you can do all this complexity, and then in 8 weeks you can just submit everything to the government and get your money back.
Yes, sir. So we try to make it as simple as possible. So if anything that we can be automate, we'll do that. And as you can see, 30 minutes onboarding time, that means that from the time that you start knowing us, all the way till you start onboarding fully, infrastructurally, it's only 30 minutes. And we take 8 weeks for the R&D credit to from submission to hit your bank account. Yeah. And last but not least, 100% audit ready, compliance ready, because that's very, very important. You cannot just go out and mumble things out. So.
Cool, amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for all of this information.
Yes, sir.
So we are Dali Tech Talk YouTube channel, Dali Tech Talk. I will come back to you to write it down for you.
Sounds good.
Yeah, cool. But also there's a wonderful sweets here. I think there must be sweets also for
take
the
some.
people who
Take some treat. Like,
I think I will.
Yeah, definitely
I
do
will
it.
use a chance and get some sweets for myself.
So my co-founder does a great job on this. We have some, that one is I think the jelly cookie right there. But
thanks.
Yeah, hi man, appreciate that. Yeah. Let me know the channel.
Okay, I will come back to you.
Come back to me. Right, send it to me, and yeah, if there's anything, we'll love to be helpful side. And then, are you doing the influencer?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. We give we know other influencers as well. So if there's anything that we can be helpful, definitely let us know.
Okay, I will do this. So no worries. I will just make a round and come back to you.
Go around, have fun, tour around. I think there's not too crowded, but then it's sufficient enough in terms of crowd size today. So go around, tour around to see what you like, and then let's stay connected.
Okay, I appreciate it.
I appreciate that. Yeah.
Well, I like it when it's not very crowded, because you can have the chance to talk with the people and to enjoy the technology. Look at that, baby. I think he has the lighter wheel. Wow. the guy come to me. Cool. Like here is the brain of this.
Can you ask our engineer?
Oh, yeah, okay.
George, director engineer.
Yeah, can you tell him? Yeah. So Robot Life is like the name of the robot. Hi, would you like to tell us a little bit about this robot dog? I think.
Sure, this is a.
You can hold the mic if you like.
Sure, I'll do that. This is a quadruped. It's a four-legged robot. They're very good for climbing things and traversing an array of terrain. Applications you might see a quadruped in range from security to inspection, patrolling different things, maybe delivery eventually, and
yeah, it get died. Very typical how a robot dog would die. But come
when
on,
you
even
do
human
riskier,
dies, so
it didn't die. Dying something that is much more dramatic than that.
yeah, that's correct.
He performed an elaborate gymnastic maneuver and it didn't go his way today. That happens to the best of us.
But what could be the applications of such a robot?
As I was saying earlier, security, patrol applications, inspection applications, and deliveries. Anything where the robot, these are fundamentally for facilitating advanced navigation capabilities. And so they can host sensors, they can mount arms on them, and they could deliver DoorDash potentially. That's kind of where the application of quadrupeds lies. It's mainly around navigation-oriented functionalities.
Okay, but when you talk about delivery, so looks like it can mount in also something on the top of it so that it can get delivered, or what?
Yeah, you can mount whatever you want on it, provided it's within the weight capacity.
Okay. Yeah. Looks cool. Oh yeah, amazing. And is it only B2B, like for industries to be using it, or can it also for private users? I don't know.
You could have a home security system based on these. It's generally we're targeting B2B because we think there's more short-term demand for it, but nothing precludes you from using it in a home.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, cool. And is it only version until now, only this version, or is there any other versions?
There's multiple different hardware packages that we sell at Toberlife. If you want different quadrupeds or humanoids, we supply them at toberlife.ai. It's our website. You can buy robots there. You can contact us and consult with us on how to deploy them for your personal needs, your home needs, your business needs. Whatever your needs are, we will work with you to build robot solutions and incorporate them how you'd like. There's a reason our motto is robotic solutions made easy, right there. And that's what we're striving to do, is to make robots do useful things for people. And we're good at that, and we're growing. And the different models that we have are expanding. And there's larger and smaller quadrupeds, there's larger and smaller humanoids, and it's a neat time to get into robotics.
I think so, yeah. So you don't only sell the product, but also some services?
We will repair robots. We're happy to develop different solutions for different problems, and generally our goal is to make robots work for people.
Yeah, this looks cool. And the robots come back to life, I'm pretty sure, very fast. Home Dog, it's also a very cool name, but I appreciate all of this information. Thanks so much.
Have a great day.
I will write the link of your company, Topper Life AI? Like, is it the website?
That is the website, toberlife.ai.
Topperlife.ai. I'm gonna be writing it in the description below, and then people will be visiting
Awesome.
it.
Buy some robots, contact us.
Yeah.
It's fun. They're interesting.
Wonderful, amazing. Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Yeah, that was cool. I really like the like the flexibility. The size of the robot is not very complicated. It's not very big. Yeah. And they are not only selling the products and leave you alone, but they also, be with you in repairing the robot. But I'm pretty sure it's more or less for companies, more than private use. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And then we can see here. Oh. Well, I can see here a TPU, Python programming, FPGA, so, and also some hardware here. Wow, okay. So would you like to tell us a little bit about what are you offering? You can even hold the microphone.
Oh yeah. Hi. So yeah, we're Apex Compute. We're basically an ML AI accelerator company. We're currently trying to build an FPGA system that you can run any inference loads, specifically for transformer architecture. Currently, this is a demo here for Gemma 3. So if you just zoom in on this right here, you can show this is like running on-prem. There's no internet here, no cloud connection. This is running through our device right here. And what this is essentially is an FPGA where we have written our custom RTL with optimized matmols, optimized any layers of the transformer can be run through our device. And this is our software stack.
Yeah, okay, so please first. So what is actually running here? So I can see hello, how can I help you?
Yep.
And then
sorry, let me explain a little better.
Yes,
so what we're doing here is we're trying to run ChatGPT or any smaller variants of ChatGPT on our hardware rather than using a large data center. So what we can do here is, like, if you see around here all these little robots, they're using what they call a Jetson Nano TPU, or exactly it's from NVIDIA. But rather than using that, you can use our device, which is 2 times faster for even less power. So the NVIDIA Jetson Nano uses 12 watts. We only use 7 watts, and we're actually 2x faster. Eventually, when we go to ASIC, we'll be 20x faster than them. So when we turn this into real silicon, we'll be much faster. And we're also developing our software SDK alongside, so that's what this is.
Okay, so cool. Yeah. So this should be a replacement for NVIDIA Jetson. So you guys are competing NVIDIA. Yeah, exactly. Brave enough. Wow. Okay.
Yeah. So exactly.
But the thing is that NVIDIA is more or less a processor.
Yes,
microcontroller.
It has a system, correct.
But
this
now
is a controller, This is not a processor. This is a controller. Eventually, we will. Right now, it's a controller. Eventually, we will make it a system as well and have a processor. So you'll essentially be able to run any machine learning transformer model on our device. That's how we implement it.
So you say, is it an FPGA or a microcontroller?
This is an FPGA.
FPGA.
Sorry, conceptually. Yeah. So it is an FPGA. So right here we have our custom RTL blocks that can run any operations that you want. So like if you have a matrix mult, or you have like in attention, you have your projections, you have your QKT, softmax, all of those operations, you can run it through our device essentially. And I can show you an example. So if you look at in your torch code, if you have a transpose, you would do whatever matrix dot t, right? But for us, we can define our dimensions of our operation and just have a handler to run it like so. Like this is a broadcast multiplication. I can show you a transpose operation real quick. Yeah, like so. I can just do transpose of x rather than x dot t. So this is running through our hardware. That's the entire point. So we're developing the SDK alongside the hardware. But just to be clear, we are a hardware company, not a software.
Yeah, okay. But this is like this Python code is a software.
Yeah, no, it is a software to essentially interface with our device. So the entire point of this is usually when you have any edged inference, you have a compilation step. You compile the entire compute graph, and then you can inference from it as much as you want. This helps with development as well. So if you have your own custom architecture, and there's a constant, the same way CUDA does it, you can say torch dot to CUDA. Like if you have a tensor, you can do to CUDA and move it to the GPU. The same thing we're doing with our code as well. So you can develop on our board at the same time and inference from it essentially. So and when you actually write your code through this architecture, like if you have your ML architecture and you replace all your devices and you essentially move all the tensors to our device, it will generate the compute graph automatically. So all the instructions will be recorded, so you don't need this ML model anymore. It will already be in the device, and you can just inference.
So basically, the programmers who would like to program a robot using your board,
Yes.
they would write a Python code that follows instructions from your side.
Correct.
And then I can imagine this program then it will be interpreted or converted into a very local
an instruction set that we can run through our device. So that's one way of doing it. This is the development side. We're also doing it the traditional way of you pass me a model, let's say it's Gemma 3, and we already have the compute graph ready and you can just run right away. That's the traditional style. We're supporting that as well. So you don't need to, if you don't have a very technical background with the ML side, you can still just have your 5 lines of Hugging Face code, like import whatever causal LM and enable our hook, and we can see if we're compatible and run your model.
Okay.
That's kind of how our workflow is, and and currently we are supporting like only 1 billion models right now, like anything under 1 billion parameters, and that's only because of our hardware limitation from our FPGA board. It has like 2 GB DRAM, but if we increase the DRAM, if we increase the FPGA board and just scale it up, we can run larger models, 4 billion. Eventually we're looking into doing more generative AI, diffusion, image generation. So.
Okay, cool. Yeah. But the only thing is that how to flash a program, this is what is a little bit not very clear for me. So let's imagine I wanted to build a drone, okay, right, or a robot. And then I wanted to implement the image detection, or I want to integrate a camera to your board, okay?
Right.
So the camera has some packages, it's a software.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
And then I will integrate the code of the camera into your Python code, I think, by somehow.
Yes.
And then structure the program to fulfill your instructions.
Correct.
Okay.
So,
and then I'm gonna be having, until now it's pure software, you know?
Yeah. Until then it is pure software. So like I think like the differentiating factor here is that there's like supporting models through your effort versus supporting models through our effort. If it's already a model that we support, like Gemma, for example, we already have the forward pass written through our devices or our device handlers. But if it's a new model that we have not worked with, then you guys can still use our device by programming it yourself. That's basically what we're saying. So like if you have a convolution or if you have some matmols in your code, you can just replace it with our device. But if you already have a model already packaged and ready to go and we support it, there's no coding needed. We could just run it right away.
Okay.
That's essentially what we're doing.
Looks cool. And how about the interfaces? So I can see here some USB-C, two of them.
So right now, this
PCI.
This is the PCI Express, and currently we're only using 5 watts for this FPGA, and it's running Gemma 3 1 billion, and you can actually talk to it. That's basically for the demo, essentially. So right.
Oh yeah, okay. So it's connected to the laptop.
Yes. It's a power.
Oh yeah, power bank. Okay, and then there is a model.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so the model is actually here in the processor. This the LLM model.
Yes, it's called Gemma 3. It's like Gemini's younger brother.
Yeah.
It's like the precursor to Gemini, actually. And we have already mapped this entire model from the ML side and mapped all the operations for the transformer architecture, and we're able to run it. And it's running purely through our. There's no CPU handoff. It's all running consecutively, so it's able to decode tokens.
Yeah.
What is this for, by the way? What is this?
It is YouTube freelancer. So, cool. Amazing. Thank you so much for all of this information.
For sure.
And I will write in the description below the name of the company, and maybe if somebody is interested, he will be contacted you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. What is the channel name?
Dali D-Ali, so Dali Tech Talk. I will come back to you and write it down for you. Okay. So don't worry, just make a round and then come back to you. It's okay?
Appreciate it.
Thank you so much. This is cool here. I think we already covered the places here. It's pretty cool. So
So much.
cool, cool, cool. I think we covered now everything. Some cool devices. And that was it. Thank you so much for your attention. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Maybe I go to grab something to eat. And be in touch. Please like, subscribe to motivate me to make more videos. And we see each other in the next event. Stay tuned, and as always, stay hopeful. Thank you.